Voices off, eyes up here. Hello, boys and girls. Let's get started. For today, you'll need glue, paper, primary color tissue paper, and a pencil to write your name. I'm starting by writing my name on the back. This is so important. Next, I take my brush and I dip in the glue water mixture, drip, wipe the tip, and I begin by painting some glue on my white paper. I might have to dip a couple of times, but I'm making a big circle. Next, I add my tissue paper on top and paint even more glue. I paint glue under and over the tissue paper to help it stay in place. I'm taking my time to make sure that I cover all of it. Today, you want your whole tissue paper to be wet. After that, I'm gonna do it again. Boys and girls, I'm gonna do it again with another color. I dip, drip, wipe the tip, paint on the paper, add some tissue paper, and paint on top. Notice how when I put two colors next to each other, they overlap and cause a new color to be formed between them. Let's see what you can remember about our primary colors as you watch me add more and more tissue paper. I'm making sure that they overlap, but that they also cover the whole thing. I want my entire white paper to be covered in tissue paper. No empty spots in between. Making sure to overlap to make some new colors. Next, I'm going to take some black strips of paper, press them on to the edges. This is going to be what makes a stained glass window effect. I want one on top, one on the bottom. If I put it a little bit too far over, I can always peel it off and put it back on. At this point, your paper will be pretty sticky, so you don't really need to add any extra glue. I'm gonna add one more in the middle. Then we're gonna turn it around and do the same thing on the short side. One on the bottom. Flipping it over and pressing down with a little extra glue to help it stay in place. One on the top, same thing. Fold, press, and one in the middle. Fold and press. If you need to add a little extra glue, I used a glue stick here, but you can use your paintbrush glue. That can help hold it in place. All right, all done. After this, I want to make sure I take it where? To the drying rack. I'm going to carefully place it on and then go clean up my station. Boys and girls, next week when it's all dry, you will get it back and be able to add some details. Let's get a sneak peek at that. Ooh, so pretty. I can't wait. All right, listen to Miss Rose out loud to do a review of our steps. And thank you for having fun.